Man, bro, I'm really going to miss this car. I'm really going to miss this car, bro. Like, history was made with this car. This is my first ever purchase. My first big purchase was this car right here. And I ain't gonna lie, right now I'm just owning bigger and better things. Like I've told y'all, this stuff just has to make sense, bro. It literally has to make sense for me to sell this car because I love this car, bro. Like this car, I genuinely love this car. The look of it, I personally feel I had one of the best looking BMWs in the city, bro. In my opinion, I really feel that. Like this car right here is like a masterpiece, bro. But wait till y'all see the car I'm about to get. So with that being said, y'all just got to tune in for the rest of the vlog to see what I got. And y'all actually can hear it right now. I'm not gonna show y'all, but just hear it. Like let me come behind it. Y'all hear that muffler? Woo! But yeah. I will y'all just gotta stay tuned and see what I got, man. Alright, man. I mean, listen to this, y'all. You hear that? Woo! Look. Yup. New car, just like that, man. New car. Man, shout out to all my supporters, bro. Even the haters, the people that told me that I couldn't do this, I couldn't do that. People that was questioning me about paying for a car with no job, this, that, and the third. Man, anything is literally possible, bro. Like, y'all haven't even seen the car on the outside, but man, y'all can just imagine what I got. Now what we gotta do, we need to go straight home because I do need to get insurance put on my car. And I have no insurance right now. So we go straight to the crib. We gonna park it. I ain't gonna do no joyride or nothing until I get insurance. And I do gotta fix some things on here as is, but literally the same as that car that I had, bro. Literally the same as that car. Yeah. But with that being said, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the crib. I'm about to just enjoy my car for right now. And that'll be all. Oh, it's later in the night, man. Look at my car, bro. This is really me. This is really me right now. This is my car. Come on, man. After everybody doubted me, they said what they said, they hated on me. Look at me, bro. Look how I'm riding, bro. We Black Knight. Dark Knight. Come on, man. Come on, man. Alright, y'all. It's currently later in the night. And this is my first time filling my car. My new car, I should say. A lot of y'all probably asking, Fish, bro, why go and buy a car? You ain't got no job. Why do that? That is so stupid. Again, I told y'all, like I've been telling y'all, and I'm gonna continue telling y'all, I never needed a job to begin with. You know what I'm saying? I was working as a truck driver because I wanted to do that for the fun of it. You know what I'm saying? Because I actually enjoy driving trucks. Right now in my life, I'm just doing things that make me happy and things that make sense. Like buying this car right here, y'all may think it was stupid, but I can get a lot of content out of this car, so that's why I purchased it. And I am very happy with this purchase. Like, y'all can see the color. It's all black, which I'm gonna keep it like this for a minute. I'm gonna just content out of it like this, and then eventually, I'm probably gonna take the wrap off and I'm gonna re-wrap it in my own design. Y'all can get a whole bunch of videos with this car. Like I'm about to start really modding how I wanted to. The same mods I wanted to do on my other Beamer. This Beamer already has it. The person that had it before he left the car in great condition, man. So the only thing that I wish I did not do was buy a car already modded. Because now I feel like I don't really know exactly I don't know what's all put on the car. But I know one thing. I'm gonna take really good care of this car, and we're gonna go from there. So, yeah, got gas. I want to see what my gas mileage is on this. I want to see if I get 400 miles on full, because my other car has to get like 400 miles. So let's see. And then tomorrow when I get up, I'll give y'all like a full breakdown on my car. But for right now, this is me. This is my car right now. Lovely. Let me give y'all a cold start. Well, not a cold start, but let me give y'all like a or welcome and start, whatever you want to call it. Sir, you know what I'm saying? Bad. It's a lovely car. But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna give y'all a full rundown on everything that's on my car, and then pretty soon I'm gonna start showing y'all some mods because I'm getting ready to go E85. Right now it's on 93, but I'm gonna switch to E85 because the gas mileage is horrible. But oh well. I will see y'all later on tomorrow. We're gonna keep this rolling, and we'll go from there. Yes, sir. Literally woke up this morning. Forgot I was driving this. Let's get y'all a cold start. Hold on. All right, y'all, so yeah, man, here go my car. And I'm not gonna lie, I am pretty excited. I'm pretty happy with my purchase, you know what I'm saying? This is actually my first time ever buying a car so modified. I have been I was very iffy on buying this car, but when I actually seen the tunes and the mods and I seen how like it looked like it been taken well care of, you know what I'm saying? No accidents on it. It don't have a lot of miles. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take a risk and get this car. Cause eventually, bro, if I'd have bought an M340, I was gonna do everything that's done to this car. I was gonna do that on my own anyway. And it's pretty much already fully decked out, bro. All I have to do is add a few touches to it to make it more of my car, you know what I'm saying? Cause right now it looks nice, but it don't feel like my car just yet. So I gotta add a couple more things to it for it to really feel like my car. But yeah, man, I wanna say shout out to my mom, shout out to my little sister, bro. There's those who have been giving me a whole bunch of motivation, man. They've been on my side since I was little, bro. Not only my mom and my sister, but my family in general, bro. My family in general, bro. They've been on my side since day one, man. They ain't never switched up on me, never crossed me. Shout out to some of my friends. Thank God, most importantly, bro, thank him, because without him, none of this is possible. You know what I'm saying? I'm just blessed and fortunate to even go into a dealership like that and go in there, run my credit, and walk out with no down payment. You know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't have to put no money towards this car. The only money that I put towards this car, which was the taxes, which they kind of counted as a down payment. The taxes on this car was what, 15 to get it? But my credit covered everything. All I had to pay was literally 15, and that was because of taxes. But other than that, man, I'm just blessed, you know what I'm saying? I'm blessed. Like I said, pretty soon, I'm gonna do a whole video like showing y'all all the mods, showing everything that's done on the car. I'm gonna show y'all how it runs. It runs pretty dang on good, bro. Like, you can hear the turbo screaming down the road. The exhaust is crazy. It's a stock exhaust to be exact. But y'all know me, that right there ain't good enough. I'm about to go ahead and give me a Valtronic. I already been looking at it. I'm gonna give me a Valtronic pretty soon. And yeah, man, it's a very lovely car. It got the super wheels. Like, I just really love this car. And I can't, you know, I'm just grateful. And then the crazy part, bro, I've been looking at my comments, you know what I'm saying? For those of y'all that are new to my channel, so I first time seeing my channel, I was recently fired from my last job a month ago. I was fired. And when I got fired, I started thinking of what my next move would be, you know what I'm saying? Because since I got fired, I wasn't able to get another job nowhere. Like, I can't get hired nowhere as of right now. I gotta wait 6 months to a year till I can get my next CDL job as of now. So I was sitting there thinking, you know what I'm saying? I was on YouTube telling my supporters like what my next moves are. I've been talking about getting another BMW for a minute now, and a lot of them in my comments have been just saying, man, paying on a car with no job is crazy. My last video, to be exact, I ended my last video in such a way on purpose. You know what I'm saying? I made it seem like as if I went in there and I could not get the car, which was, of course, gonna get y'all talking. Got y'all talking. I'm looking at my comments. I stood up all last night reading my comments laughing, bro. I didn't even reply. I just laughed at every last one of y'all that was sitting there talking what y'all was saying in my comments. You know what I'm saying? Very, very hilarious. I cannot lie, that was very hilarious. But yeah, man, I appreciate all my real supporters, you know what I'm saying? Those of y'all that really just rock with me and y'all like the video. Y'all may or may not comment, but y'all like the video. Y'all watch every last one of my videos and y'all subscribe. I appreciate y'all, man. It's only gonna go up from here, you know what I'm saying? I'm just really excited. But yeah, I think this right here is pretty much gonna conclude the video. I ain't gonna do too much. I was gonna give y'all a full, like a crazy video for me buying this, but that'll be tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? That'll be tomorrow when I'm actually like fully getting everything situated with the car. But as of now, I am very, very, very excited. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna give y'all one last startup and like a mini pull, and then that'll be it. All right, so we'll conclude today's video, man. New to the channel, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. With that being said, I love y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. Your boy Fish out. Peace.
AJ keep telling me unleash the beast who been dormant inside, but they come with intensity. V3 side, I know you silent, but they can't out rap you. That's why they keep trying to get rid of me. These niggas not in my range, they'll never come close. They can't get near my proximity. They love to fear my potential and talent. It's like I was born with antagonist energy. Back concentrated, regained all my focus. I see they still love to chase fame. Keep bending flames with no lighter. I'm feeling like Zuko, play with me, get scorched with these flames. Niggas be cheating, can't stop being tended by hoes. Will never be one and the same. Free for our battle, but it's still me versus me, cause I'm the last one to remain. If you ever switched up, just know I'ma be out for vengeance and get back, don't have a date on it. I treat my pill like a sword. When it's time to be used, I decapitate every opponent. Don't care who they send after me, cause you gon' face my records. I'm feeling just like Meliodas. Hit after hit, cause you know I don't miss. Blessed with a curse, but it's all cause I'm chosen. Nobody real up, cause pretending the trend. Kept time we drop, cause my R won't end. Took some time up, but I returned again. I'm a bitch just like Gohan, I fight for the win. Live off our letters.